Well, we've got a leak. Leak up the window. We're taking down the Christmas tree already. Look at that. It's raining outside, and we're stuck inside, and we're so bored. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna try to find some things to do. Well, I'm gonna try to find some things to do. We shall see. We shall see. So a few days ago, I cleaned up this room a little bit. Well, I didn't clean it up really. As you can tell, there's still a little bit of a disorganization and some plants over there. But I'm trying to fix it up more for Newbie so she can have a little play area. A break from the house because it's rainy today.
I was getting full-blown cabin fever.
You needed the break. Well, we've both been defeated. Where are you at? Oh, you're in the dark.
Yeah, in the darkness.
Yeah, it's cold and it's so gloomy outside. It's just too cold to be out here, so we're going back home. See what we can do at the house. Somebody's asleep. Oh, what a cutie. So my dad is gone to Mexico. No.
That's left for vacation.
Right, it doesn't feel like it though. Okay, so my dad is left to vacation. My dad has gone for vacation. Has left for vacation. Okay, I'll start again. My dad has left for his vacation and he is on his way to Mexico, where he's from. And yeah, he left earlier today. My mom dropped him off. I didn't go to drop him off, but yeah, we said our goodbyes here at the house, and it already feels sad and cold. I miss my dad. But yeah, he's gonna be gone for maybe a couple weeks, I think. And hopefully he'll be back by February, or I don't know. But yeah, he's just gonna go and take some time to himself in the sun. Much deserved time, because he's been working endlessly and tirelessly in the cold. And yeah, and my aunts and uncles live there, so he's gonna go visit and hang out. So yeah, I'm gonna miss him. Jevin is the dad said, oh babe,
What's that?
you're the man of the house now.
Always the man.
Oh, he said he's always the man of the house. Oh, damn, okay. But yeah, it is for Mexican fathers and such. But yeah, I'm gonna miss him. I already miss him. I'm a big daddy's girl, so it's gonna be tough. But I have Jevin and I have Newbie to keep me busy and happy and focused. Yeah.
I get lost in your deep blue eyes, like a shell in the sea. I fall in love